Hello, my name is Alyssa Wilsey, and this presentation is about the technology integration matrix. Pictured on this slide, as you can see, is an image of the technology integration matrix, otherwise known as TIM. At the top here, there are 5 levels of technology integration, starting with entry level. The teacher begins to use technology tools to deliver curriculum content to students. Going all the way to the transformation level, the teacher encourages the innovative use of technology tools by the students. Technology tools are used at this level to facilitate higher order learning activities that may not have been possible without the use of technology. According to the video we watched by Welsh, the further to the right you get here on the top, the levels of technology integration, the greater student ownership of learning is, and the more higher order thinking skills you build, as well as the more complex the use of technology. Over on the left, as it goes down, is the 5 characteristics of the learning environment. It starts with active learning, where students are actively engaged in using technology as a tool rather than passively receiving information from the technology, all the way down to goal-directed learning, where students use technology tools to set goals, plan activities, monitor progress, and evaluate results rather than simply completing assignments without reflection. Depending on what you're doing in your classroom, how you're integrating technology, you can fall in any of the areas on this matrix. I'm going to provide 3 examples for you today of different areas of the matrix that my integration of technology in my classroom have been in. The first one is active learning entry level. And this image here shows you where that is on the matrix that we just saw. It's up at the very top and the far left. In active learning entry level, only the teacher is using technology. The teacher is doing so by lecturing using a PowerPoint presentation or by showing students videos. And during this type of technology integration, students are passively receiving the information. An example of how I have used this is on a regular lecture day in my current college course that I teach. I will be using a PowerPoint presentation that does have videos embedded and images embedded. However, I will typically lecture, show the PowerPoint and the videos, and the students will passively receive the information. They are not themselves using technology, but me as the instructor, I'm using technology while I pass information on to them. The next example is collaborative learning adaptation level. In this situation, students use teacher-selected technology tools independently to collaborate with their peers. They can use Google Docs or Edmodo. Edmodo is a program that I've always used with my students. It's almost like a social media page, and students can actually work in groups, and they can collaborate with each other through discussion and work together on assignments through Edmodo. Finally, the last example is constructive learning infusion level. In this level, students are given opportunities to select technology tools of their choice to construct understanding in a way that is useful to them. I've always given my reading and language arts students book projects a couple of times during the year. And in order for them to demonstrate their understanding, their final project, you could say, I give them a choice of how to do this. They can make a PowerPoint presentation, make a video, type an essay, create an infographic or a podcast or a blog. We practice using all of these different tools throughout the year, and when we have these final projects, my students are able to choose which one they want to do that plays to their strengths and that they can best use to demonstrate their understanding. These are the 2 references that I retrieved my information from today. Thank you for viewing my presentation, and have a great day.